Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss drink for you today. Now, today we're going to be making a weight loss smoothie. And in this smoothie, you're going to be able to lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days. And it's so simple, it's tasty, and it's for weight loss, of course, okay? So I'm just going to show you these wonderful items, just a few needed. And what you're going to need is an avocado. We're going to be working with one whole avocado. We're also going to be needing one apple, as well as a medium to large cucumber, and some honey. Okay. Now today we're going to be working with our personal size NutriBullet blender, which you can find the links down below in the Amazon affiliates links. And as you scroll down, you'll see the links for both the full size as well as the personal size blender. All right, so what I'm going to start off doing is decoring my apple. You can just cut your apple into pieces. And being that these are still big pieces, I'm going to just chop them up into smaller pieces. Pop that inside my blender. Now these apples look so good. Now it could be any kind of apples. Your favorite apples is fine. These are the Golden Delicious apples, which has a little sweetness to it. And I love it because of the crunch. Next, you're just going to take your cucumbers. Now you're going to wash and scrub the skin properly. And then we're just going to slice these into pieces. I love me some cucumbers. Now what I'm going to do, being that this blender cup is kind of small and it's already full, I'm just going to start off blending this down before adding any more to it. Okay, so I made some room for this so we can add more stuff. Okay. Now if you want, you can also add in a cup of water, but it's really not needed because the cucumbers have a lot of water intake in it. Okay, next we're just going to take our avocado and we're going to scoop it out. Now this one is about to get spoiled, so it's good that I'm using it now. And now I'm just going to blend this up. And then I'm going to add in some of my honey. About 1 to 2 teaspoons is fine. Okay, and finish blending this up. And being that this is a very tall cup, for those of you who don't have tall mugs at the house, you can also convert this into a cup as well. Okay, so you pop your handle on there, and there you have it. You pop your straw in there and you have this wonderful smoothie. Okay, so like I said, you drink this for 30 days. All right, you blend this every day. You can have this as a morning smoothie, as far as a breakfast smoothie. After drinking this, you will probably not be hungry for a long while, maybe all the way up until lunch, and maybe even after lunch. This is going to help to control your appetite, so this way you're eating less calories. Okay, so this is an awesome way for you to lose weight by eating less, but also feeling full, and also feeding your body with the nourishment, the vitamins, the minerals that it needs. Okay, all right, y'all, so there you have it, this awesome, powerful weight loss smoothie, and you're going to lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, as well as check down below for the Amazon affiliate links for your personal size blender, full size blender, these wonderful metal straws, and more. Also check down below for the links to my eBay store, where you will get these wonderful honeys that's great for boosting up your body, boosting up your male organs, your female organs. I'm telling you, it's going to help your play, all right? It's going to boost your testosterone levels, your libido levels, and more. Okay, it's going to definitely be that aphrodisiac that you're going to need to send your love life to another level. And also, you guys, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, family hauls, fashion hauls, and more. Okay, so don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.